CrewZNation, it's your boy Zawawi, and welcome back to another vlog. So, as you can see from behind me, I'll be reviewing the BMW 750 Li. It's absolutely stunning, as you can see. This is actually the first time I review a BMW with xDrive, which is I'm super excited for. Actually, I drove it last night and it's super powerful. I think it might be actually quicker than my E92 M3, at least off the line. And as Salamandran so delicately puts it, I'm gonna give it the full enchilada now, and we'll see how that goes. Stay tuned. So as you can see, it's actually my brother-in-law's car, so it's a family car. So that's why it's a bit messy. But overall, you just feel like you're actually in a living room. It's so comfortable. What do you think, Wifey? How comfortable is it?
Really comfortable.
And she's eating chips.
Sorry.
No worries. And so, alright, we're going to go out for a drive. We're going to go to a remote area and give it, as I mentioned, the full enchilada. So, one of my favorite things about this car is the rear view mirror. Oh, not the rear view mirror. The rear view cameras. So it gives you a 360 view of everything. Plus, you get to see it from from the top. So everything is fully visible, which is freaking amazing. And here we go. And yes, as you can see, it's pretty goddamn quick, which is amazing for, a luxury 4-door saloon. And now we're off to that remote area, so stay tuned because it's a secret. First impression is the car is pretty badass, to be honest with you. I just love the control. There's an AMG for you. Oh, I love those. G-Wagon, baby. But going back to our topic, I mean, it's so smooth. I've always been against electronic steering, but I think as technology is advancing, it's pretty amazing, to be honest with you. It feels like hydraulic steering to some extent, of course. At the end of the day, I'm a sucker for hydraulic steering, so I'm a fan of older cars. So I would say 2013 and prior to that. But so far, I've driven a few cars, or a bunch of cars with electronic steering, and I have to say BMW is doing a much better job than Mercedes when it comes to that. That being said, I still have to try out some of the newer Mercedes, so hopefully I'll be test driving one very soon, and we'll see how it goes from there. Alright, so let's be honest, when it comes down to it, I care about performance. Performance is the most important thing to me, and after driving this car for like 10 minutes last night, I was unbelievably, oh my god, this is quick, unbelievably impressed. And so what I'm gonna do now, when we get to the secluded area, we're gonna take off all the put in a sport, take off the traction and everything, and see how it really makes me feel way deep inside. And I'm happy, to be honest with you. This is freaking amazing. And one of my favorite things also, and I've never actually owned a car that has this, is the head-up display. My father's always been against it because it's a bit, he said it's distracting, but to be honest with you, I feel that it's perfect, I don't have any issues with it. But then again, I don't know, with time it might get annoying or it might make life a bit easier. Time will tell. And now we're gonna get back to you because I'm not gonna show you the area we're going to, but I guess locals will probably know exactly where it is. So I'll get back to you in a few minutes. Peace. My brother-in-law wouldn't do any donuts or anything stupid like that, so I'm not gonna do that. But I really like this little tiny tunnel. So I just had to share it with everyone, to be honest with you. It's soothing for some reason. See, no cars, no. Oh, there's a car, but we have a V8 that is holy crap. I know, I see it. Oh, so this also shows you how strong the brakes are. So we went from 90 kilometers to 50 something in a second. So, and now let's see the acceleration. Let's go! I got it. I love this stuff. And now I have to slow down because our location is coming up very soon. I really hope I don't get any speeding fines, because then I'm gonna get punished.
You're gonna pay them.
I know, I'm gonna pay them, which is pretty much getting punished. So we're almost there, and hey, I'm a BMW fan, you know, so Mercedes, if you think you can do better, get a hold of me, and I would love to test drive one of your badass machines. I know you guys make the best engines ever, but so far, given my exposure to BMW, I'm sorry to say, I just love them. So Mercedes, get a hold of your boy. Get a hold of your boy, please. I beg you. Please, Mercedes-Benz. I would like to test drive an AMG in it. That's a horrible British accent. Sorry, and for insulting the entire kingdom of what are they called? The United Kingdom. There we go. Wow. I need to.
United Emirates. Oh,
no, United Kingdom.
Yeah.
Anyways, so we're here. So we're just gonna find the right spot, and we'll see how. So we're gonna find the right spot and abuse the crap out of this car in the nicest way possible. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna traction control off, sport. Oh, and the dials change and everything. We're gonna give it a little bit of brake, and all right. So I almost killed my wife. I had it in reverse. I know. I put it in reverse instead of straight. I know, but I paid attention. I'm so sorry. All right, let's do it again. All right. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna see how the car performs from 0 to until the end of the road and back. But before doing so, I am gonna take off the traction control. I am gonna put it in sport. And as you can see, the dials change because it's gets sportier, and now it's in D. What I'm gonna do is brake, gas, and away we go. Oh my God. It is freaking, and brake, end of the road. And now we're gonna take a U-turn. Oh, fasten seatbelt. And let's fasten our seatbelt because, as I mentioned a million times, safety first. That's my fault. And now let's see how it does. Holy crap. You can feel the G-force just pulling you back. And this is a luxurious saloon. Well done, Germany. Oh, look. I love it. I freaking love it. All right, let's go pick up the wifey and head out. And honestly, And brake. Awesome brakes as well. Track and wow. So be honest with me, how was it? How did it feel?
To me?
Yeah, it's just seeing it.
So fast and so
right?
sexy.
Oh god, it is sexy. It's a BMW. How can it not be sexy? Anyways, we're gonna head back to my brother-in-law's and my sister's and drop off the car and enjoy the rest
And
of.
no, we have another surprise.
Yes, we do. Yes, we do. Yes, we do. So I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. I almost killed my wife because I reversed instead of winting.
Yes.
Instead of going, instead of putting it on drive, I put it in reverse and I almost crashed into
freaked out.
And I'm gonna show you the video because sharing is caring. But that actually is another lesson. Always pay attention, be careful, you know, even if you're test driving or reviewing a car, even if you're super excited about driving the car, you need to pay attention because you don't want to, you know, you don't want to put anyone in danger, especially if, you know, she's your wifey and you love her so much. So, oh, babe. Anyways, and yeah, just wait till the next surprise, which is, it's, at least for me, it's exciting, but it's completely different than the BMW. So off we go, and I hope you enjoyed this CrewZNation. And until next time, peace. All right. So to be honest with you, this was an awesome experience. Probably will get one after the M3. Actually, I'm never gonna sell the M3, but if I'm gonna get a luxury 4-door saloon, I'll probably go for something like this, unless Mercedes wants to, you know, give me a car to try out and give it the full enchilada, or as we like to call it, the full capsa. I might move from BMW to Mercedes.
No, you won't.
No, I won't actually. No, I want to keep an open mind. I want to keep an open mind. But I do. I'm just something about the manual transmission and the E92 M3, and to be honest, and this was just a piece of heaven, to be honest with you. I just loved it, and the acceleration, the X-Drive, really was way above above my expectations. It was just wow. The car just, as you can see from the video, it just and it just flew. I'm sorry, I'm spitting everywhere, but god damn! And here we go again. I don't see any speed cameras. Oh shit, wait. No, 110 is the speed limit, but there's no speed cameras!
You never know, maybe it's it.
100, and we are at 200. Alright, let's slow down now. Let's slow down. But honestly, I highly recommend this car for anyone that wants comfort, power, and all luxury and all of these goodies in the car. To be honest with you, I care about performance and comfort. Performance more than comfort, but honestly, wow. Alright, CrewZNation, have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Smash the subscribe button and say hi to the wifey. Hey. And you know, likes and comments, and if you have any suggestions of something you'd like us to review, something to drift in, something to race in, just let me know and I'll do everything I can to make it happen. Peace out, CrewZNation. Much love. Peace.